Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monali Sarambai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Villagers turns to MLA Sengberth Armarak on battered roads. The Cook Cum Helper Union expresses gratitude towards Kenneth Shadam. Young boy lost his life to a drowning incident. And Hito confirms new office bearers of Hito Mausentai area. And now the news in detail. On the 30th of August, residents of villages in Chokpot, Khakija have voiced their dissatisfaction over the state of the Khakija to Chokpot PWD road, which falls under the 59 Chokpot constituency in the South Garo Hills district. The ongoing delay in its completion has raised concerns among the locals. The road spanning from 8 kilometers in Khakija to Chokpot is under the jurisdiction of the PWD 59 Chokpot constituency. The deteriorating condition of the road, coupled with a halt in construction, is impacting school children and residents who rely on it for daily needs. Sources reveal that residents have been taking on the responsibility of annual road repairs due to neglect. Frustrated, they have appealed to MLA Sengberth Armarak, the PWD and NGOs in the Chokpot area to urgently address the issue and expedite road construction to alleviate commuter hardships. On August 30th, the Cook Cum Helper Union in Nongstoin orchestrated a heartfelt program to honor Kenneth Shadam for his unwavering support towards the union. The event took place at Bishop Hall, Nongstoin and was attended by a number of distinguished guests including N. Nongdakar. The President P. Marwen and Secretary R. Dingdo of the union were also present, along with women cooks from across the district. The primary objective of the program was to express profound gratitude to Kenneth Shadam for his dedicated efforts and unyielding support to the union. His commitment to the betterment of the community and his contributions to the union's endeavors have not gone unnoticed. By organizing this veneration program, the union not only showcased their gratitude towards Kenneth Shadam but also emphasized the significance of unity and support within the community.
Cook Cum Helper Union Nongstoin ni union ni ban ai sino bhai phi ma na banta na ni ke jin le bha ba ke jin ram chu phi na banta jin ni ko rai tang ni jin ai ba re oi le si jin le chu phi na banta jin ni Shillong ki ba khau rai lang jin ai jin ni Shillong ki ba re ro so bha priang ya kan ni le lu man si chu phi please.
Jinsneng, Paulus Apostol Syakinong Pilipi, Kalanong Kabaar, Katpat Lai, Ado Sawon. Watle ayay, da kajimnya kenroy lani jingya ko. Handray, da kajim smawit. Handray, da kajim smawit. Kata kabay kakantiyan kabas mo kenat ha. Nantaro wong tunyaw yakiway, am alor ban ya lagi. Snap hamon. Tunyaw yakiway am alor ban ya lagi. Nanta sisu kabas mo tenatan. Uway pa uway uday ban kampe ya kajim mentoy jong kiway pan ban yala hijau. Uway pa uway uday ban kampe ia kajing mentoi kiwei pak ban ialah hijau. Dan kini kita kentin hijau Paulus apostol ki bau hikai ini ki Kristen banyak imah kene kepercayai na kebentar kiwei banyak imah kene kepercayai na kebentar ki para beri kata kene kajing sultanat kepakrautan ngalai ta ani naga sokung banjau umat habana perkat kekani kapan kenal di kentin di jom Jisu mo di bawah Jisu om nalapan kot si Paulus ki basanya menkot tamuai uan ban ai burong saya kita kendai ni kekani kajing semonggo kani kam kebakrau tam hakmat jom belai kajing semonggo tamdei kajing apa ki penpau ya kajing semonggo tamnya sana tamnya sani Ndra ya mapi penpau kajing semonggo kaya sa ublay yoi ki download ki basmonggo ki jompi ublay yoi kita ki download ki bakut ki jompi ublay yoi ya kata ka download ka basirhan ka jompi takani kadi kata ka bakrau tam hakmat ka jompi haka jing sisya manta ka sili nalamu banuan yalam mumuk ki parolok ki balak banai bun ki jingarap ki ban batai ki mre ngasmau kani kamdei ka sini ti nakarpat ya pi lada kani ka jinja teli ka beten lada kani ka jinja runti ka beten ngala ya pendek bat katul kani ki perlok ki ba bila ya trei bah ki kam imlan salam bangin saya pendek ki sini banya batai bah ya pi ya ki skim ki babun bah ki badai kerpang na ka benta ki long tumi kerpang na kebentar kita duduk. Ini saya perlu kerpang natarai hangi bakal kahon. Saya wan kambun. Wat kita ki bandai ki kukruk semua bahaya wer di kilom kuni ya wer di kilom pa kita duduk. Ini saya perlu namar ba lada pintik bahaya ki skim ki babun ki badai na kebentar kita duduk. Ini kan sah susah kai. Namar lada sekiwei ki Jakarta yo, lada sekiwei ki distrik yo, lada sekiwei ki sub division yo, balai sapi pat kinunjo.
Tragedy struck Bangalkata village in Chibinang, West Garo Hills district on August 30th as a young boy lost his life to a drowning incident. Iman Man, hailing from the same village, drowned in the Rongsai Valley irrigation dam on Wednesday. Despite swift action from the fire brigade and local police who were alerted by villagers, the search was hindered by the dam's murky water. Eyewitnesses reported that Iman dived into the water but failed to resurface. After a concerted effort, his body was eventually located and recovered the following Wednesday morning. The incident has cast a shadow over the community, reminding everyone of the importance of water safety measures. On August 30th, the Hinotrap Integrated Territorial Organization HITO extended its branch to the Mausantai area in Ribhoi district. The new office bearers of HITO Mausantai were officially confirmed on this occasion. The confirmation ceremony took place under the supervision of Kenny Nongrum, the General Secretary of Ribhoi HITO. Notable attendees include Abor Nongrum, the working president, and other prominent office bearers of Ribhoi HITO. The newly appointed office bearers of HITO Mausantai include Wan Bor Lingdo as the president, Sharai Lang Lingdo as the secretary, and a team of 20 others dedicated members from the area.
Bankongo, Badburenti, ya kariti trekam jongka itu. Kumba kaseng kalau suit lashor, ya kan, bat ngantri nak benta kari, bat kejaj benriu hinyutrep. Hakan nongrim jong kejing lai lui, kahok bat kejing syakri. Masuk sarong, ban syakri, yakari, bat jiki parado parasnam. Bat ngakuloi ban IT, lut wat lada, ngadei ban yaiting ban, Shispaksha, Kajing Shitong, Na Kabanta, Banyada Yakari, Lem Kanu Kajing Benyau, Nejing Babe, Malong Pokoloy, Panyapeng, Wan Yala Kajing Im, Na Kabanta Kadauba, Baka Hito Gayeng, Manshim Halade, Ubabaha Kupar, Banyo Shakri, Yala Kari, Dengba Kasing, Berkajing I Jonga Yakari, Kan Omkut Lani Kan Dukut Na, Madei Watiar Kari, Balakha, Nanyeng Yale Namar Jongka, Manyada Yakajaj Benriu Hinyutrem, Manpala Kajing Im Namar Kali, Kajing Lai Duit Kahok Berkajing Shakri. Untuk mentah bila degi dekat Papura Jongka itu.
Kapten ay to sakma tementang ya lo ki kapten baro akan ni kaseng itu jongi ya lo ki dong yalam baro akan ni kaseng itu jongi te hukum no yalam ngim dei ban pet ban pa ki we sakman kum ki no yalam ngi dan kam ban mi ya de sakman te kum ka kentin ko Steve Jobs ko we wa buno everybody want to go to heaven but nobody wants to die wamun kum no de try ki sung tho kata baro ko ban ya rem dan ko ni sabeng tho kata ban ngom biak ni sabeng ada kan pintu ba ong eping mentang sing kalau kajing pusan ya pi baru in kuat kajing suk ya kajing bah development mo ngi pe ya senang matam in kuat development in kuat kan kajing mentoy lan ka kam ki jam ni pun samla ki jongi in kuat surok ba ha in kuat ba paka ka like ba paka ngai don pat uwe pat ban len na be ban mi sakman kata kan kajing mot ya kata kan pin ba pan pa pi mata te ban yo ai kita pat ni don kam bandu kan ban sacrifice in parang yo ban len ni la de Mentang bagi ke isu berper ke jelas ni. Kemudian sudah atau sistem simen mah. Katu kerja, sabam jad meriu jumi. Ini am. Sabam ada waktu. Kai kata kolam. Kadang kungi yumi sakmat pat ban kersan. Manu pak kersan. Kata dikeli di bandar. Ada ni lada ngaya ding ngamle ai. Manu bale ai na mentah juna. Kata ni lengkap. Kalau ke ai basu tenan ba pipiwan ban esno ban terai ban syakri. Kata kali ke mensim ke bakrabo pila don ke mensim yo pi kum utau nongshong snong go poral ne kum tau jai benreu jong kani ke beri nyu trap te kum jai benreu jong beri nyu trap ngidon ke kamram bangi hakun kali lade ni lale ayu na mata kani ke ri ke beit ki jongi nimla ban ba utay kamle ai katay ke kamle ai lane utay officer kamle ai lane katay ke snong kamle ai lane kun samla kamle ai hakun kali dalade lade shwa ka ai lale na mata kani ke ri ke beri nyu trap jongi lade asdong atau lade po district ada po kastir ada po kari rokawai kata kadun kam kum ki breu ni dun kam mi sakman nama dam dei mangi mano pat kata di keli di bandan mano pat ban penhai ngi mano pat ban rakyat ta jing sup yang mano pat ban rakyat ta jing bentoy aka snong ka thaw jangi dengar undakan bun bungtin en regan ai ka khublei ka karwo e phi ka basai ka longba to ai ti ka mon ti ka diang kum ki nong trei mon sobha na bata ka briu nyo trap jangi ai bersim lang wi wi te hawa pia trai pat bedon ke jing su jimbul lang pramembar sabele no kam da don ke jing ya pentip lang jing ya su thu lang omon sia i dat pat ya no re ya no te tang ni kenten imslam dari jai beliau jungi imslam dari khasi jungi
burung jom ki negi beliau jo keseng ki lawan naka distrik ki lapan skem kerpang nak bertajung wat langi lo tangwe arut akan kesin jam ke badan staf tanpa ngindang yai suki tehagne kepor na ai keblero ya baro ini kibaya dan lanang ne para dapat banyak ini ribuan distrik ba omdon kano na kalian jongi kapa pat ni mu dari kadang kata kowe kapan yasno lang bat kabor jom ka distrik jom ka hito jongi na pernah bro siketin nakap por swaban sedang jom kani kajian don kanu batang pernah mama tang kini ki tim ki banga na kwa bakre isin bangi ina rai banlong kita git ko jo ka ito ni dei bandon ha ko kan orim ka baskem ban yeng bitik la da lo kumno la da ni kumbang ne mola pasmayani la da jinjar kispa sharu.
In a significant development, a meeting was convened at the Bianchi Hall of the Catholic Cathedral Church in Shillong. The gathering brought together Catholic priests from the Archdiocese of Shillong, along with prominent officials including Srimati R.M. Kurba, IAS Deputy Commissioner, and Dr. R. Alia, Director of Health Services. During the session, Deputy Commissioner Srimati R.M. Kurba delved into discussions about the state health policy and crucial health indicators. Dr. E.L. Karmuti also took the opportunity to highlight ongoing initiatives aimed at enhancing maternal and child health in the region. The meeting was noted for its interactive nature, fostering productive exchanges among attendees. The collaborative atmosphere led to the generation of a plethora of suggestions and valuable inputs. The event was marked by the presence of a diverse range of perspectives, contributing to its overall success.
Rate for Meghalaya is 30 deaths per 1,000 live births compared to Kerala with 6 and the world with 29. This is a source from the NHS4. Mothers avail the antenatal care for only 53.2% in comparison to Kerala 61.2%. Then institutional deliveries in the state are at a very low level of 51.
On August 29th, the Khasi Jantia Garo people FKJGP Maukarwat Circle, led by President K.L. Nonglat and General Secretary N. Bors Emyong, convened a meeting with DSP of Maukarwat and Deputy Commissioner of Southwest Khasi Hills District, T. Lingwa. The primary focus of the meeting was to address the escalating incidents of thievery in the region, particularly in Maukarwat market. The union revealed that they engaged with the DC and police authorities to emphasize the urgency of enhancing security measures in Maukarwat market, particularly during nighttime hours. Their aim was to create a safer environment for the residents of the area. Following their discussions with the Deputy Commissioner, the FKJGP expressed their disappointment, stating that the DC did not address the concerns presented by the union in a previously submitted letter. Disheartened by the outcome, the members of the FKJGP left the office with somber expressions, highlighting the urgency of their concerns regarding the prevalent theft issue.
DSP office ka jingi kenduk jingi nakaseng long halor ka nongrim nomor nyu I haki kot kubor na kawai kapor sikwe pat barbun kinong sinong jong ka yo makrwat baki dan hapdeng jong ka jing song sir tina kaliang jongi jong ka FPGP ngila persyang ban wani kenduk yo DSP halor ka ne ka pabun ki kam tu kam lote po jong ka yo makrwat tina kaliang jong DSP ulah simkia halor ka ne ba nang ne sakmat ba on sapa no yakini by day bat kini ki patrolling marknang baki kibriu baki basyong basa po yo bakin omdon kano ka jing satu nomor mai iya kini kisngi bamta baman la kasngi nomor imat bal ajele plat no drugs baka jele kini ka kamtu kam tim hapo yong ka yo makrwat bat kumju ru nakaliang nyoki kena school kim not shu ban iya kijat kamtam ki bapule na stai ki kena bawan ban pule na stai na chileng bi wan pule hapo makrwat kimnut syuk bariat kejat nomor bon pelat kinong lute te nak liang jungi kum kaseng ikerpat ba dalong kepala ya ki bor ki bade kemi khabaide bat song suk song sain dalong kepala bakin penklan ya ki bor pahra khnang ba kan omdon syuk kino ba nang ne sikmat yak bakin omdon syuk kino ki jingjiek bas ngosi khamtam ha kabaide ha ka imlang salang bat kumbalong ha kini kisngi bam takat haduk bam tang I ban nak liang polis kim sim perla sim kia tengi kerpat banang nes khmat dalong bala kum kaseng ni kerpat dalong bala ia ba ni kum kaseng ni kloy bani trelang rangkat bat kibor jong ke polis
ba ngiliok bani kenduk yo DSP kum tu kum yo ban batai presiden tena nda kaliang jungi ka FKJP Maukarwat Circle Iwan ban bu jitha Ahmad jong u deputy commissioner jungi ban kerpat yo ba un bu penbiang bot pahara kamtam ya kayo mo perwat agabay kinong song sinong jong kayo mo perwat kinong song dukan na do ki pajba ro ki dan jing bom senganso kalik kawan jong ki namar ka kajing bun palat ka ki kamtu kamthem te na kaleng ka jungi ngilayo bani kendo yo deputy komisioner ngai habang kendo deputy komisioner ususem mitang ka jing thok bangi ai mangi umla kwa ban ya keren bat ngi te kane ka pen pau ba don ka jing trelang bat ngi kum pajba te na kaleng jungi ka sengi pen pau ka jing saudew ya une disi jungi bom patiau ya ngi kum ki pajba nong snong mar habang ngi la yo ban ya alaj ajing tho uklam kwa ban ya keren bat ngi te ngi sukarpat ya ka district administration bahkan simkialam ya ka kam namar kane ka kam yap kam im jong ki pajba jong ka dong katang te ngi karpat ba la kuno kuno ki dei ban simkia ban penbiang bor para kam tam ki pon menmet ba ki kam tu kam tem namar da na ka jing jelai jong ki nong di drop te ka wanra ya ka shongsir ya ki pajba nong lai jong wan kam tam ki kelung kena ki gentai kam don su ka jing song sup jong san ha kane ka dong katang ka jungi.
The Jowai Diocese Catholic Youth Movement JDCYM successfully concluded its Youth Fest at Holy Cross Umkyang Parish, East Janta Hills District on August 27th. The primary objective of the Youth Fest was to foster solidarity within society and promote collaboration among youth individuals to drive personal and communal development while also enforcing their faith in God. The event saw enthusiastic participation from young youth representing various parishes within the Jowai Diocese. The fest commenced on August 26th with a diverse talent show and sessions focused on raising awareness about the perils of drug use. Concluding on August 27th, the fest culminated with a meaningful Holy Mass and Eucharistic celebration led by Father Ebor Mitri Henry Lamare. The closing ceremony was overseen by Kmen Langdhar, the advisor of the youth of Jowai Diocese. Father Ebormi Lamare, who graced the event as the chief guest, delivered a compelling address, urging the young participants to embrace courage and shed cowardice. He emphasized that while youth often exhibit bravery in various aspects of life, they sometimes hesitate when it comes to serving God.
Bola ke sarong chade bola de chulu hakmat chulu bodo hakini ki kam chulu pai tang to ye kam yong sai kharo ra sarong tene de dam kani ke base tumpa pun tin de kam kalam bola ye jing sarong ni chade hawa to ye ki kam ni sai kharo pure ko yune yalam kawan kebentar, bentar ini yo bentar nado balang cino. Yo mana ko cino, na mesti engkam cino le nado ko yung kosan. Tang ya dua le saromi rekai ini. Nanti ko hejung no. Tadua ini tanpa cepat ni kena mau kikal jam nado ke balang cino, nado ke Paris, nado ke diocese level, mandi kiwan. Chongchit hebil bolet chit hebi. Tenten yobi kangro chongchit ei bolet chit hebi. Hendrai tenten chit hebi iklan chongchit le punar engkam. Teyo man chongchit chit hem engkam chulur. Chuluri agawan benda kalian ko iyo lai usai ya tega sapupong i tene ya tega depan bos yang memang betul sih happy.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.